Have you ever wondered about the intelligence of the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex? Could this infamous predator have been as brainy as a baboon, capable of tool use and cultural knowledge transmission? Such a claim sparked a storm in the world of dinosaur research just a year ago, in 23. Susanna Herculano-Houzel, a prominent neuroscientist from Vanderbilt University, ignited the controversy when she published an article in the Journal of Comparative Neurology. She proposed that the T-Rex, a theropod dinosaur, had an exceptionally high number of neurons, the cells that carry and send information in the brain. So many, in fact, that it might have rivaled the intelligence of a baboon. This startling claim was met with immediate skepticism within the scientific community. The idea of a T-Rex wielding tools or transmitting cultural knowledge was provocative, to say the least. Not long after, an international team of scientists, including 2 neurobiologists from the University of Alberta, launched a counter-investigation. Their study, published in the Anatomical Record, aimed to scrutinize Herculano-Houzel's claims and methodologies. Cristian Gutierrez Ibanez, one of the leaders of this international team, questioned the reliability of Herculano-Houzel's assumptions. The team examined the techniques she used to estimate the size of the dinosaur's brain and the number of neurons, finding them questionable. In a stark contrast to Herculano-Houzel's hypothesis, the international team pointed out that dinosaurs were reptiles, not birds. As such, their brains were significantly different from those of mammals and birds. For one, reptile brains don't fill up the entire skull cavity. There's a lot of cerebrospinal fluid taking up space as well, which is different from what we see in mammals or birds. Furthermore, the team brought up an important factor: the size of the animal itself. An adult male baboon can weigh anywhere between 14 and 40 kilograms. A T-Rex, on the other hand, could weigh in the neighborhood of 7 tons. According to Gutierrez Ibanez, the number of neurons scales with the body size. This would mean that the T-Rex would need a large number of neurons just to manage its massive body, leaving little to no room for advanced cognitive functions like tool use or cultural transmission. Reptiles also lack the same kinds of connections and circuits in their brains that mammals and birds have, which would limit the complexity of their social behaviors. The international team concluded that the T-Rex was probably only about as smart as a crocodile, not a baboon. While this might have been a relief for the animals hunted by T-Rex, it doesn't mean the theropod was unintelligent by reptile standards. After all, the T-Rex and its kin were able to dominate the world for millions of years, a testament to their survival skills, if not their intellectual prowess. In conclusion, while the idea of a tool-wielding T-Rex is certainly intriguing, the evidence suggests that this ancient predator was probably not as intelligent as a baboon. Rather, it possessed the cunning and predatory instincts of a crocodile, making it a formidable hunter in its own right. This just goes to show that size isn't everything when it comes to brain power in the animal kingdom.